Look, I have the tickets. Let's go.
Where are the lions? Right here, sweetie. Let's go.
Sounds like a plan.
The lions are this way! He is sleeping. The lion is very brave. The roar is so loud. Rah! I am a lion too. Next stop, the monkeys. This monkey is so funny. They are so playful. The monkey is hungry. I can climb like a monkey. Go for it, monkey girl.
That's my little monkey.
Bye-bye, funny monkeys. Look at those long necks. Wow, the giraffe is so tall. Its neck is very long. I want to be tall too. Look, a long tongue.
Cheese!
Elephants are next.
That elephant is so big.
He is very strong.
It's a water shower. The elephant is gray. The baby is so cute.
It's getting chilly. Whoa, look at them go!
Wow, they're so fast. It is very cold here.
The penguin is fast.
You are so cute. They walk funny. I'm hungry now.
Lunchtime!
Delicious. We should clean up. Keep the zoo clean. I am responsible.
It is clean now.
Let's get souvenirs. So many toys. I will call him Brave. I'll write to Grandma. Look, a funny monkey! What a wonderful day. I learned so many words. Today was great. Brave lion, tall giraffe. Good night, Zoo.